Hello and welcome my friends. Today I will show you how to format an Excel sheet which is not formatted correctly. As you can see on my screen, I have this Excel sheet where some rows are bigger than the other rows, some columns are bigger than the other columns. Like this, for example, this is hidden because this is smaller, so instead of going to every row and every column and making them smaller or bigger, um, there is an easy way to do this, and I'll show you the easy way. For example, you do this or keep doing this. Instead of doing all this, I'll show you an easy way. The easy way is to select all the data. Now, if the data set is small, you can just go like this. If the data set is bigger, just press Control A, select the whole data. Then go to Home tab. This is the Home tab here at the very top. Go to Home tab, go to Format. Now there are two things here you have to use. One is Autofit column width and one is Autofit column height. So let's see the height first. As you can see in my spreadsheet, there are some columns where the height is wrong or different than the others. So let's do this and see what happens. So select all the data, go to Format. Let's say Autofit row height. As you can see, all the rows are now of the same height. Let's now say Autofit column width. Now it will auto-fit the column according to the data in that column. So let's see the magic here. So let's press auto-fit column width. Ooh, all the column is now according to the length of the data. As you can see, this is according to the data because discount band is fits in this width. Similarly, country is according to the length because United States of America is longer. So it fits here, manufacturing price fits here. So all the data you can see, everything fits perfectly. The column width and the column height. It's so simple. So don't spend time going to each column and each row and trying to make the width perfect. We have go to we have home and then go to home and then auto fit row height and auto fit column width. Any questions? Let me know.